Whether you've been a homeowner for a long time or if you're a new homeowner, you might not have realized the different uses possible with the electrical outlets around your home. From a regular household outlet to the outlet you use for your clothes dryer or cooking range, there are many possibilities. Let's start with your regular household outlets. Your regular 3-prong household outlets are typically 15 amps, 125 volts, but is also known as 110 and 120 volts. These outlets, as you may know, can do your typical housework. What if you get a new power tool, air compressor, or swimming pool pump installed that has a locking style plug? You need to adapt these to a household outlet. Depending on if it is a NEMA L5-20P or NEMA L5-15P, the AC Works adapters to use would be 80-515, L520, or even 80-515, L515. Other fun things like a tanning bed, sauna, and jacuzzi would also need to be adapted for household outlets. If you are unsure of the plug or connector you have, check out another edition of AC Works Wisdom that covers NEMA pin configurations. Also, always be sure to read the user manuals to make sure you don't overload any outlet in your home. There are areas in the house with outlets to supply a larger amount of power too. Take a look behind your clothes dryer. If you have an older house, you'll have a NEMA 1030R outlet. If your house is newer, you'll most likely have a NEMA 1430R outlet. Both provide 30 amps, but the 1030 only has 3 prongs, whereas the 1430 has 4. This is a common problem that lots of people moving to a different home or buying a new dryer have. Luckily for you, we have 2 AC Works brand products that can fix that. S1030 1430-018 to go from a 4-prong dryer to a 3-prong outlet, and S1430 1030-018 to go from a 3-prong dryer to a 4-prong outlet. If you get a new dryer that uses gas, you can still use your 1430 outlet with 80-1430-520. Let's say your house is getting renovated and the washroom is getting moved somewhere else. The old washroom is now becoming a part of the updated garage or workshop. There are a couple different things you could use the NEMA 1430R outlet for now. First off, during the winter you could use the 1430 outlet for a space heater or air conditioner. Another purpose could be to charge your electric vehicle. Another area that supplies even more could be in your kitchen. Check behind your electric cooking range. There will be a NEMA 1450R outlet. This supplies 50 amps of power to that location. If you're switching from an all-electric range to a gas range, you can still use the 1450 outlet. The adapter for this case will be 80-1450-520. Another scenario might be that your house is going through drastic renovations, or maybe you're just having one of these outlets installed somewhere else. Now, the 1450 outlet is in your garage. Again, you can use it to charge your electric vehicle or even your 50 amp RV. There are many possibilities to consider when renovating or getting electric outlets installed. Depending on your hobbies, what you own, or the age of your home, you can do just about anything. Rather than renting an additional space, saying no to that Tesla you have always wanted, or abandoning a hobby because of your current electrical hookups, say yes and stay connected with AC Works brand electrical adapters. If you have any questions about your power solution needs, you can reach us by using hashtag AskACWorks on Twitter, texting, calling, and emailing. We will help you find the adapter you need. Please check out our website to read informative blogs about similar topics and to see our various adapters and cords for your power solution needs. Check us out on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.